So this is a linear inequality that we're going to graph, both of these. So that means it's a straight line. And we're used to seeing something like y equals mx plus b, right? Where b is the y-intercept, and m represents the slope. So to graph any one of these, if it's written in the slope-intercept form, -4 is the y-intercept. That means that it's going to cross the y-axis right here at -4. Let me change the color on that. I'm going to cross the y-axis right here at -4. The slope is the rise over run. That's your up and over. So if it's a positive slope, I go up the top number and over the bottom number. But this is a negative slope, right? So that means from here, I'm going to go down 1, right? Remember, the rise is the top number. Then over 1, 2. That's the bottom number. So this is going to go down 1 over 2. From there, I'm going to go down 1 over 2. And then you go in the same direction. Well, you go in the opposite direction. Up 1 over 2. Up 1 over 2. And if you notice, it draws a line. Now, don't draw a line. So from there, I got to check to see if I have this equal sign. If I have an equal sign, right, if I have this or this, I draw a solid line. This is like the open circle, closed circle. If I have this or this, I write a dashed line. That lets us know whether or not we include those values on the line or not. So I'm going to do a solid line because I do have an equal sign. So we're almost done. The last thing is this greater than or less than? This thing right here.
Less than. Y is greater than.
Yeah, we're saying y is greater than. So think of the y value right here. Is greater above or below the line?
Above.
It's above the line. So this is what we kind of fill in. We just kind of fill this in above the line.
That's crazy.
And you don't have to shade it in perfectly. You just kind of do it like this. I've seen some people draw arrows and stuff. I usually draw arrows. But on your test, it'll look kind of like this. So we'll make them look like this. Okay? That's it for that one. Let's do the second one real quick. Again, we start at the y-intercept, which is a +4. This is a negative slope, so that means I'm going to go down 7 and then over 5. So from here, I go down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, then over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Do your best. You guys have rulers. Mr. Adams does not. Do your best to draw a straight line through those 2 points. Again, this is greater than or equal to. The equal to tells me I could draw a straight line. I can shade above the line. So sometimes you could just do these lines like this. Or maybe I'll do it like this. You just draw like a line like this. It's really difficult to draw on the tablet. Okay? And that's it on those.
Oh, no way. You draw that from the tablet while looking at the what?
That's what makes it really difficult is I don't